Hey you guys, I'm here at Puerto Nuevo celebrating my birthday. For those of you that live in San Diego or Southern California, it's just a hop, skip, and a jump across the border. I think it took us like maybe an hour and 15 minutes to get here. The ocean views are absolutely stunning. The food is delicious. And the cool thing about it is there's so many fun activities. They have a couple pools, there is an amazing jacuzzi. I just had a great spa treatment last night with a massage. I visited the mini zoo today and fed the bunnies and the goats. It's so adorable. And the list goes on. I truly enjoyed exploring the property. There is so much beauty to take in at every turn. The weather was incredible. Oh, and the bartenders were on point, whipping up refreshing poolside cocktails all day long. I really enjoyed relaxing by the pool and enjoying great music, my kind of R&R. The Ocean View Suites are stunning. Falling asleep to the sound of waves crashing and waking up to the ocean each morning is pure bliss. It feels like a dream. I could stay here forever. During the summer, there are horse shows in the arena connected to the property, and the horses are magnificent and truly a sight to behold. With over 200 rooms, this property offers everything from standard guest rooms to ocean view condos, making it easy to find the perfect option for your budget. It's really a wonderful place to celebrate special occasions, birthdays or weddings, or even a simple getaway to relax and recharge. The sunsets, the connection to nature, and the chance to slow down and savor life's beauty makes this the perfect escape from everyday demands. Dinner in the evening did not disappoint. We indulged in incredible cuisine, enjoyed the weekend, live entertainment, danced and soaked in the joyful, vibrant energy. So much fun. And the Sunday brunch, it's mouth-watering, featuring authentic Mexican dishes, fresh seafood, decadent sweets, bottomless mimosas, quesadillas, soups, and so much more. Just absolutely delicious. There's even a heated indoor pool. It's family friendly and the kids areas are fantastic. It's one of those places where you never feel that you need to leave the property because it truly has everything. Even a basketball court, a playground, and comfort at its finest. If you love the ocean, open skies, and vibrant Mexico vibes, this hotel should be at the top of your list. From sunrise to sunset, indulgence meets adventure. Come for the views and stay for the memories.